All right, guys, Luke the landscaper here with pink and green. I want to talk about the foxtail fern. Some people love them, some people don't love them. Honestly, they're pretty bulletproof. They're pretty tough. They don't need a ton of water. They need fertilizer just like anything else. They're not prone to a ton of issues. If you like that modern green tone, here we have a liriope and then we have a foxtail fern. So you got a dark green, then you got a light green. It's a good contrast to bring you in a very light green if you're going for that modern green type of look. Foxtail fern is really, again, it's bulletproof. It's tough. It'll get a little bit bigger than this. It doesn't spread like crazy. It's not a nuisance plant. Very, very low maintenance. You can use it in the ground. You can use it in pots. You can use it in clusters, even singular, because they do get pretty good size. So just another idea, foxtail ferns for the right area. Luke the landscaper, pink and green.